Big up, big up.
Vice President of R&D Department. I think about aloe vera a lot. I think I'm in love with aloe vera. I have studied aloe vera since 1980. Aloe vera, I think, is a miracle plant. Every time I think about aloe liquid soap, I am proud of myself because that is the first product I did. And after that, I continue to create more skincare, more hair care, household products, and aloe vera drinks. And that's why we see the company grow up every year. You know, I came here in 1980. I remember the first day I landed on the Philadelphia airport. I don't have even $1. I found a job and I worked in Philadelphia about 2 months. After that, I moved to Dallas. I found the aloe vera of America. My boss accepted my application and he hired me in that day. In the first job, he gave me the janitor. And I have been in aloe vera of America the last 32 years. And where I am now, a Vice President of R&D Department. And I always proud of it. And I always want to be an aloe vera of America employees. I put my head and my soul in the products. So that's one of the reasons I love aloe vera. The more I research aloe vera, I in love with aloe vera.
At Aloe Vera of America for 21 years. I have a degree in chemical engineering. I'm the QC lab manager. We inspect all our raw materials that comes in. We check the pH, we check the viscosity, we check the colors and the appearance of the product. We check the acid value, and we check also the preservatives and the ascorbic acid on all the drinks. And then we release them so the compounding can use them to make the product. We test the tank samples before we even run it through the production. And then they make the product, and then after they run the batch, we check the finished goods, make sure that they are all good quality, so that way once it's released to the public, the distributor can sell.
This is the compounding part. This is the department where we make all the product, all the drinks, and also all the lotions and cosmetics. We make on two different sides, which is the drink side is over here, and the cosmetic side is on the other side. It makes everybody have a sense of security, that you know that we have a job to come to every day. Also, it makes guys proud that we can make a product that can be sold around the world. Japan is one of our big suppliers, so that's very big. The distributors do depend on us for quality product, on-time delivery. I think we have an on-time delivery, I think of 98%, something like that.
I am Jim Bogus, Manufacturing Manager for Aloe Vera America. I am responsible for the compounding or blending of the products as well as the packaging. If Aloe Vera America was a chocolate factory, they'd call me Willy Wonka. I love the products so much because I know what's in them. It makes me feel great that I can take that home, give it to my family, and I have 100% confidence in its quality. I love being the best at something. And what we put out supports thousands of people globally. It makes me feel great. Our VMI platform is our new investment to manufacture our household good and cosmetic products. We work together with engineering companies to design this custom packaging and blending equipment, and it was a $5.5 to $6 million investment. Forever Living Products is willing to make such a sizable investment because they want to be here for the next 30 years. They want to be here for the next 100 years, making the highest quality, safest, most efficient product possible. The blending tank has 3 types of agitation inside of it. But what's special about it is that it's built into the tank. So we can induct all of our ingredients without ever having to stand on a ladder to introduce raw materials directly into the tank. So there's no need to recirculate the product to have it go through a secondary process. It's all in one vessel. And we are going to take a product that used to be made in 24 hours and be able to do it in 8 hours. When I bring other companies that are similar to us and they see what type of blending equipment or packaging equipment we have, they all tell me how we have the Rolls Royce of blending and packaging processes. Safety, quality, and efficiency are our priorities. And the VMI platform is the right tool for the job. Our distributors can be confident that we have the highest state-of-the-art equipment for their products. FOP is going to redefine the industry. As a matter of fact, we're doing it now. We're always moving forward, so we're succeeding.
control laboratory for Forever Nutraceutical. Every raw material that comes into this facility comes into the quality control laboratory. There's microbiological testing, it's tested for safety. There's assays on the active ingredients to ensure that all our materials and our products are exactly what is expected from the distributor and customers. Whatever it says on the label is exactly what you're getting. We go well beyond what's required just to make sure it is the best, the safest, what we want the consumers to have as a product. I love what I do. Everyone works together. We all have the same goal, is to get a great product out there.
Quality management here at Forever Nutraceutical. I'm also a mom and a nutritionist, and I take pride in the things that my family has in the home. Everything from the nutritional supplements that they take to the foods that we select to have at home. It needs to be of the highest quality, and it's extremely important to me. I am so excited to be here at Forever Nutraceutical because those values overlap. I haven't worked at a company before with such great quality standards as they have here. This company does extensive testing on all the ingredients, all the in-process testing, and on the finished products. We want to make sure that we have the best quality product, both in appearance as well as efficaciousness of the product. Some of the additional tests that we perform here aren't necessarily mandated by the FDA or other regulatory agencies. Those are all extra steps that are part of our quality standards and our quality program. Every single raw material that comes in gets tested. Every single lot that's produced gets tested. That way you can be absolutely sure that what's in that product is what's on the label. Not many companies go to the extent that we go to in the dietary supplement industry to test the products and ensure that the product that leaves this building meets the highest quality standards possible.
Manager for Forever Nutraceutical. I pretty much oversee everything from raw materials coming in the door to finished product going out the door. Working for a company now that has their own product is phenomenal. We produce quality product. We here at Forever, we have a Forever standard of high quality, but we also have that in people. The people here take great pride in what we do, from the management team to the production workers to the warehouse workers, and I think a lot of that has to do with the fact that it's our product that we're making. And I love being here with quality people at Forever Nutraceutical.
Executive Vice President of Forever Living Products. I've been involved with the company since before Forever Living started, working with Rex, and have grown with the company. My kids were not even born when I started with this company, and now I'm a grandmother of 2. This company is very, very important to me. Its success is my success, and I am here to provide support to the distributors so that they can go out there and build a strong business knowing that somebody is out there overseeing their interests, making sure our trademarks are well protected, making sure the quality of our products are fantastic, making sure everybody follows company policies, so that together we can make a very strong team and can build a good, credible business. And I just want our distributors out there in the field to know that I am there to support them. No matter what part of the world you're in, know that I care deeply about you, each and every one of you. I want you to be a success. Whatever I can do to make that happen will happen.
And I oversee our distributor support department. My job here is to get answers to our distributors to help them be the best they can be in building their business. The majority of our calls come from our distributors, and when they call in, we're here to provide the absolute best service possible. I tell my staff that we are a one-stop shop, so if we can help them, let's try to get the answers for them. And if our reps don't have the answers, they will definitely get back to them with the appropriate information. And that's kind of our motto here.
I love the whole concept of independent adventure traveling. I feel vibrant, I feel creative, I feel passionate, right from the moment where you open up the maps and you say, where are we going?
You and your vehicle on the road or doing whatever you're doing, your food tastes different, the air smells different. It's just a different perception. You feel alive. I guess that's what it is. You really, really feel alive and in contact with the world around you. This home we have here is a realization of a dream I didn't know I had. The original farmhouse was built in 1570. The building that we converted essentially was a threshing barn. The brick part was about 400 years old, and then the stone part was built 100 years later.
We live in a hectic world. There's always a lot of demands on you as a successful business person. And coming back to this, the rolling hills of Monmouthshire, it gives me peace of mind, it gives me clarity to think. I just feel at one here.
You know, we thoroughly enjoy stretching the limits with the stuff we do around the world, but you always want to go home, and we love coming home, and then we're planning the next trip.
If you don't take the time to plan a trip, you never know what you're going to miss. Planning is part of the journey. You know, this is not just about arriving, doing the journey, getting in the car or the plane and coming home. You know, the planning is all part of the process. The adventure begins when you have an idea. And so the joy for us is to be able to sit down with friends and collaborate together, to be able to share ideas, to brainstorm journey routes and maybe end destinations.
You realise, I think, in life is if you can work to a common cause with other people that you get on with, who have the same values, the same standards as you, it in fact enhances it. It's a synergistic result where the sum is greater than the parts.
If you don't have that collaboration, that passion, that energy, that synergy, that excitement, the trip is not quite the same. You know, life's too short to go on journeys and miss the beauty around the journey.
We approach the business like an adventure. Every day is different. Every day throws up new frontiers, things that have to be overcome. You can't build a business without a plan and then executing the plan.
Why travel on the road that many others have travelled when you can take a left turn and go where many people haven't been and experience new adventure? You've got to step out of the comfort zone now and again. You know, the only time that you ever grow as a person is when you're stepping outside of that comfort zone, and that's what travelling does for us. It allows us to step outside the comfort zone and experience a bigger world. I'm Jane Leach. I'm an adventure traveller. I'm a planner. I'm a diamond manager.
I'm John Curtis. I'm an off-road adventure traveller. I'm a husband. I'm a dad. I have a great love for life. I'm a diamond manager.
And we're forever.
Of global events here at Forever Living, and I get to have the fun. So when a distributor has achieved their goals, reached the qualification, it's kind of handed over to my department, and what we do is come up with the incentives that really reward all the hard work that the distributors have been doing, and we get to take them to an amazing destination and give them a really immersive experience by showing them a whole load of entertainment, a whole load of training, and a whole load of adventure in these places that we visit.
Director of Sales and Marketing for Forever Resorts. Forever Resorts manage and operate properties all over the United States and international. We have 35 in the North American portfolio, to include national parks, houseboat destinations, whitewater rafting, and unique ones such as South Fork Ranch, where they're filming the new Dallas program. Not only do we sell to the public, but we also offer it as a benefit to all of the distributors for Forever Living products worldwide. And it is at a nice discount of 25%. All you need to do is give us a call and let us know how we can help you.